Alright guys, so today I've got some scrapers I'm going to scrape off hopefully all the pinstriping on the truck, and I can start sanding, and tomorrow hopefully I can start leveling it out. So I'm going to start scraping, and I plan on painting the bumpers and the mirrors today, same way I did with the other truck, gravel guard or rocker guard, and then when it's dry, paint the rocker guard. And yeah, I've been at this not very long. I'm using this metal scraper. I think it's for like glass and ceramic, but it's really good. So it took off all these back decals like nothing, and like even just removing this pinstriping made a huge difference. So I don't know, I just got, this stuff is proving pretty hard to get off. That's gonna take a while, but I guess I'll just pick away at that. Like this section here took me as long as it did to do the whole tailgate, so yeah. The same. But now I've got this side all stripped down pretty much. Just gotta get some residue remover on this. But the pinstriping came off alright. This side was a lot tougher than the other side. So now I just gotta get this stuff off. And there's a little bit of decal here, so I got that off. Looks like this cab has been spray bombed, or at least this bottom half maybe, I don't know. But it's just like all this stuff. Okay, well this is, okay, that comes off easy, but the other side wasn't coming off that easy, so I don't know, I guess I'll just get this pinstriping off and then start tackling this gross stuff where that rubber trimming was. Get this thing stripped down. Yeah, I got this side all cleaned up now. These two rubber pieces that were there, they came off easy. There's the decal there I got off. Cleaned up this badge. It's just all this gunk is being really hard to get off. I might try adhesive remover on that. Hopefully that'll help me out there. But other than that, I got this Powerstroke badge off. I'm gonna keep that in case I want to reuse it for something. Yeah, I mean, all that makes the truck ugly right now is this strip here. It just looks really hack. So like if I painted from like here down black, it would clean up the truck so much. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I still have to do that dent on the other side, or else I would almost tackle that today. Frame's not too bad. Oh, I got lots of thread on these U-bolts. Oh, okay. I might be able to jack this thing up real high with this leveling kit. It's just if those will come out, I should probably start soaking them right now. But if those U-bolts come out, yeah, this is cake. I've got two extra add leaves in there. I've got lots of stuff I can jack the front end of this thing up. It will just be the track bar. Cool. Okay. Well, that's kind of good news. I already washed this today, but I need to wash it again now after I'm done with this scraping stuff. Okay, so now that that's all done, it's as good as I'm gonna get it, pretty much. It was really hard to take that stuff off. The front stuff came off like butter, but this stuff's a lot worse. So now I think the plan is that I'm gonna take off the mirrors and maybe tape up the bumpers a little bit and get going on that. I could probably cut out these little things today. I've got some stuff coming that's gonna go in these spots here. It's just perfectly set up for it, so yeah, I got something for those places. So I'll probably cut out those, tape it off, do the bumpers up, and after that, oh yeah, the mirrors. Yeah, I'll bust those off. I just gotta tighten up these forks because they're really loose. So get those painted up, get the bumpers painted up, and I'll probably do it for today. And then tomorrow, hopefully I can level this thing out. There's lots of thread on the U-bolts on the left side, but on this side there's like next to nothing. I don't know why. It looks like they've been cut off or something. So I'm not sure why. But regardless, I don't have a front sway bar. That's cool. So I might need to get a couple U-bolts made up. It's a shame because it's like, once we get into it, I'll need to go get those made up. Or I don't know, maybe I'll just run it with like very little thread or something. We'll see. Exhaust is still holding up. I gotta sell some stuff. I'm gonna see if I can sell these wheels. We have another set of wheels out back, and then I want to sell that exhaust tip. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten this up, get the mirrors off, tape up the bumpers. Back in the shed, sanding down the mirrors, and then I come back and there's a box here. Rock Auto. Oh my god, I'm so stoked. Now I got something else to do today. Where's the box cutter? Okay, let's open this thing. Okay, so this is a throttle position sensor. I think the truck needs one because it randomly it's like a misfire, but I think it's due to like the TPS having a dead spot or two. But anyway, so I got that. It was like 30 bucks. Got a couple of band clamps, so now I can make the axle dump when the tip comes in, or even like I could do that today and then not put the tip on. I don't know, but now I got stuff to do. But maybe I'll just do that another day. I'll do the exhaust another day. But anyway, so got 2 band clamps now, and then steering stabilizer. I got a Moog one, so this should be good. I figured I was gonna need one once I throw those wheels on, and just the way that, like, since my past experiences, I figured I'd just get one. I think that I went big on this one. This was like 70 bucks, so. Nice instructions. Oh yeah, nice. Hopefully this actually fits my truck. So it goes from the axle to the tire rod, it looks like. Okay. Well, now I got that anyway. So again, I actually don't know if I'm gonna do this today, but now that I have it, this is good. Wasn't even expecting this stuff. I ordered it on Sunday, and it's Thursday now, so it said, I think it said like 4 to 5 business days, so I guess technically it has been 4, but Rock Auto's real quick about this, so that's awesome. Okay, so basically what I've done is I'm just going with white, no rocker guard. Hopefully I can return these. I probably can't return those. Or maybe I'll just keep them for undercoating the truck, but I've splashed one coat down on the bumper, like the rear bumper and the front bumper. I didn't even bother taping it up because, like, this is, if I'm going to be painting the truck anyway, why even bother? So there's one coat. I cut the little things out of there. It looks kind of hack, but it's alright. So there's that, and then I've got 2 or 3 coats on the mirrors over there. I'm just gonna keep going. I've got 2 cans. May just use them all up completely, I don't know. But like, just doing this reminds me how easy spray paint is compared to like brush and roller. I don't know. I haven't used rattle cans in a while, so yeah. So I'd like to get rid of this because this just makes the truck look so ugly. I still might just do like here down black rocker guard and then paint it white over top of that just to stop the rust, because the cab corners are starting to go. On the other side it's worse, so I may just do that when it comes time to paint. But yeah, definitely just peeling all the decals off. Really, oh, I didn't peel this decal off. Crap. Okay, well, I'll peel that decal off. This little sticker here. And then yeah, I'll just keep going. I washed the truck today and some bird already crapped all over it and in the box. It's like, ah, sweet. Now the bumper's starting to look real good. The bumpers really pull the whole front end together. I don't know why. So there's that bumper. The mirrors are almost done. I just need to wait for one coat to dry and then I can flip them over and get the other edges. And here's the rear bumper. I'm halfway done this. I haven't got the left side yet, but yeah, it's coming along. Okay, so I'll finish with that coat. So it's pretty much just going to be probably one more coat each, front and rear bumpers, and then one more coat on the mirrors, and then I can get it thrown back together. And that should be it for today. I'm going to save all those parts for another day. I want to wash this again too, just because I've stirred up a lot of dust, but it's alright. Coat on the bumpers, I should say. Once again, looks so good. Just need the wheels on there and it'll make the whole thing amazing. So yeah, I'm just waiting on these to dry and waiting on the mirrors to dry. I think those are pretty much good to go. And that's pretty much it for today. Alright, so I just finished up. Everything's back together. It color, like once this gets, like these parts of the doors get painted and those get painted, it'll make such a difference. It'll just clean the entire truck up. But I don't know what I can do about this because like the cab is double walled, so I don't know how I'm gonna pull that out. I'm probably just gonna have to Bondo right over it, but way she goes, I guess. So the mirrors are on. They look good. Front bumper looks awesome. Truck's coming together. It'll get there. All this stuff is up for sale now, like the wheels. I just need some rollers. Yeah, so I just need some rollers, and yeah, I'm just trying to sell stuff, make some money, and continue on with this project. And like I say, I've got parts sitting in there. Adapters are coming for so I can run the 20x12s. Hopefully the leveling kit gets done tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and